Hey guys, this is Kamalesh Swargam and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be unboxing Infinity Clubz Mini Bluetooth speaker. So let's explore it. So this is the Bluetooth speaker, and let's keep this aside. And with this we get some user manual, and this user manual, this is user manual come the warranty card, so you have to keep this safely. Here they have given some QR code to scan, and this is the about the warranty, and here are the LED indicators. So in behind they have given the button function, so now we don't need this. Let's throw it. And we have this one cable. This is for charging this. There's a USB cable and there's a micro USB cable. You have to keep it here. And so this is the LED indicator, and this is a slot where you can tie something and keep it with you. And so this is the multifunction button. If you catch it for 3 seconds, then it's power on and power off. If you click it once, it's pause and play. And when you double click this, it activates Google Assistant or Siri. When you triple click it, then it changes the mode into deep bass mode or normal mode. So let's pair this with our phone. So here I have my phone. Let's switch it on. 1, 2, 3.
Powering on.
So here, as you can see,
Go to the
the light is blinking.
Device.
So let me go to settings in my device. In settings, let me go to Bluetooth. First, let me turn on Bluetooth. And now it has already connected to the device, as you can see. So now let us try playing something.
सीधा साधा लड़का नाम गौरव राजस्थान से रहता हूँ दुबई
So as you can see,
से अंग्रेजी है आती फिर भी हिंदी.
So as you can see, the speaker is very loud. That's it for this review, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to #LearnSoon.